Want to offer a gift wrap option to your customers this holiday season? A gift wrap option can greatly enhance your store's customer experience and even increase your average order value. And with FoxEcom's themes, you can easily add a gift wrap option to your Shopify cart in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a gift wrap product. Go to your products page and click on Add Product. Name it Gift Wrap. Set the price based on your desired gift wrap fee. We'll also disable inventory tracking for our gift wrap product. Once the product is created, we'll create a menu to allow customers to select the gift wrap option. Navigate to the menu section of your Shopify admin. Click on Create Menu and create a new menu called Gift Wrapping. Add a link to your newly created gift wrap product here. Now, depending on the theme you're using, the gift wrap code may already be built in. Take Hyper Shopify Theme as an example. Hyper Theme offers flexible layouts, high performance, and built-in features like customizable product pages, easy-to-use navigation, and seamless integrations, making it the perfect choice for scaling your business. Once you've created the product and menu for gift wrapping, the option will be enabled automatically in the cart. What if you want to change the content of the option? Just need to go to Actions, Edit Default Theme Content. We'll be changing to something like, Get your items wrapped beautifully for just $1. It's always a good idea to test the feature. Add a product to your cart and check that the gift wrap option appears as expected. That's it. You've just added a gift wrap option to your Shopify store. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Check out the description for more helpful guides and links. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!